Hello guys, we use smartphone ZTE Blade V2020. This version 4GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Start unpacking, look completion. Device in the black color. In completion we have adapter for charging and adapter for charging and adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. On this we have key for SIM slot. Okay. And now talk about device. Display on the front side and front camera, on the back side quad camera, LED and fingerprint scanner. Downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. On the upside, slot for 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Turn on device. IPS display. Open Geekbench 5. Talk about system information. CPU MediaTek MT6771, octa-core processor 4+4 cores. GPU Mali G72, Full HD Plus resolution, display PPA. Okay, and now the results on Antutu benchmark. On Geekbench 5 test doesn't work. I don't have results on Geekbench 5. Okay, Antutu benchmark results. Okay, ranking. We have this place. 57 place. Okay, close this and open the mobile game GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Game load, works good. Without lags and glitches. Okay, close this and talk about camera. We have quad camera and now I show you photos on this main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.